Hi everyone, welcome back. Today it's an exciting day. I'm going to be picking the winners for my Kentucky Crafter birthday challenge. So I'm going to be picking two winners. I'm going to pick the second place first, and then I'll pick the first place after that. And then we will know who our winners are. So it's so exciting. So I just want to say a big thank you to all the folks who, participated in the challenge and sent me some fun little things. I'm going to put their names in this little box so that we can pick a winner. You'll have to come back because I'm going to take the items and put them all in a journal together so I can kind of have them all together and be able to flip through the journal and look at them and stuff like that. And it'll kind of be like an idea journal plus a little memory journal from this fun birthday challenge. So I'm really excited about that. But yeah, we'll be getting all the names put into this little box here, and then we'll pick the two winners. And you'll have to also come back. I'm going to do another fun little challenge or collaboration, and I'll do an announcement of that later this week. So I'm excited about that. I hope y'all will be interested in that as well. So this was really fun. All right. So we got them all in here. We'll do a nice little shaky shake. So I'm going to be picking the second place winner first. Uh-oh. We got one that fell out. Let's put that back in there. Make sure they're all in here. 1, 2. Okay. I don't know how that one got out of there. All right. Let's try this again. All right. So I'm not looking. I'm going to open up and I'll pick a winner. What do we have here? All right, we have Penny's Crafty Creations. So Penny, you are the second place winner. So email me at kentuckycrafter1@gmail.com, and then we'll figure out like if you want the PayPal or if you want a gift card to somewhere else. So email me. I'll have the email information down below. So Penny is our second place winner. So I'm going to put second place right here. That's so exciting. Yay. All right. So now we're going to pick our first place winner. Again, I'm not looking. Go in here. I'll pick one. And Stacy Stroud. Yay. So you are our first place winner, Stacy. So first place is Stacy. So again, Stacy, email me and we'll figure out if you want, I can just send you the $75 through PayPal, or if you want an e-card, I can also do Venmo as well. So each of you all email me and then we'll talk about how you want to receive your prize. Yay! That's so exciting. So that was really fun. And yes, come back. I'm going to be kind of re-looking through all the fun goodies that you all sent me and putting them all in a little journal. So yeah, so that'll be fun. Well, it'll probably be a big journal. But anyway, those are the winners of my birthday challenge. And thank you all. You all made turning 60 a lot of fun. And yes, I know I'm officially in a new decade. So that's kind of crazy. I definitely don't feel like I'm that old, so I guess that's a good thing. But yeah, I'm excited for all the fun stuff that I have planned for 2026, and I hope y'all will come along with me. And I just really love this community so much, and just I love to give back. You all support me so much, and it's really fun to give back to you guys with these giveaways. And yeah, I just wanted to say thank you, and I will see you all in the next video. Okay, bye.